Hi guys, welcome to Math with Mr. Hustler. Today we're going to do section 6-6, proportions and percents. The proportion we're going to use is on the left. It's always going to be a percent over 100 and equals a part over a whole. And the way you tell the difference between a part and a whole is the word is and of. The word is always associated in next to the part. The word of is always associated in next to the whole. So if we look at example 1 here, we have to find 25%. There's our percent, and then we see of 124. The word of is associated with 124, so that is going to be our whole, so we're looking for a part. So we are finding a part. So if I set up my proportion now, I always have 100 on one side, and then my percent is 25. My whole is 124, and I am looking for my part, so I'm going to say x. So then we solve this just like we would normally. We say 124 times 25 by cross multiplying, and we get 3,100. And we divide that by 100, and that is 31. So x equals 31. So there's my answer. Again, if we looked out at example 2, what percent of 250 is 138? Let's set up what we know with our proportion. 100 always goes on the bottom, and we have percent. We're looking for that because it says what percent of 250 is 138, and so is goes on the top, of goes on the bottom, and we are looking for a percent. So from here you want to cross multiply. 100 times 138 is 13,800, and then divide by 250 is 55.2. And again, that has to be a percent, so we need a label on it, and we say equals x, and there is my percent. So example 2 was finding a percent. Example 3, if we set up what we know for our ratio so far, we get 19 is, so that's associated with is, 75% of what number? So of what number? We're looking for the whole, which is the bottom. 19 is on the top, and 75 is a percent. So from here we cross multiply. 100 times 19 is 1,900 divided by 75, and this is going to be a repeating decimal, but we're going to round to the nearest tenth. 25.3. So x equals 25.3. And again, example 3, we were looking for a whole. Those are the 3 types of problems you'll see, and the 3 ways to set up your proportion. That's all, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.